What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Lumsden Motorsports Garage. I'm Wade Lumsden. Cooper and Glenn Lee are here again, and showed up to the racetrack today knowing that I needed to do some carburetor work. Found some parts, got the carburetor dialed in, but the motor was idling up super high. Couldn't find any vacuum leaks, none of that happy stuff. And well, I automatically jumped to I called my carburetor guy, and he's like, well, I've heard of the 604 crates having internal intake gasket leaks that create a vacuum leak, but usually when that happens it smokes, which Ryan McDaniel, who's pitting right here, his crew came over and saw that I was struggling and being frustrated, and they found something super simple and super stupid. My spring has gotten weak over time on the backside of the carburetor here, this spring, and simply added another coil to it, fixed my problem. So being stupid, being, you know, my brain going way faster than well, the rest of me can keep up, and is what it is. But I'm really glad that they came over and was like, oh no, we've had this happen before and it's this, and they, yeah, instead of watching me struggle, they came over and helped me out, which was awesome. I was all geared up to change an engine, wasn't I? Yeah, you can tell me I'm stupid. Yeah. Nobody wants to say it, but they were saying that, you know, they're thinking it pretty loud. Anyways, had to buy a whole carb kit to get myself a needle and seat for my carburetor, but got what I needed. Car's put together, check the timing, yada yada yada, all that happy stuff. So right now we moved on to doing tires, and when I say we, really what I mean is Glenn and Cooper, because I sold my soul to the devil. I have to go sit through one of those timeshare presentations for my cheap hotel stay. Yes, that is how I afforded to be able to come, or part of it. So I have to go sit through one of those here in about 45 minutes, which means I got to drive back into town and do that. But they're going to build me some tires, which is going to be awesome. And then we'll do some adjustments on the car when I get back. I think I want to tighten myself up because I was extremely loose last night. But I'll stop talking your ear off, and we'll come back and chat with you soon after I come back with all that nonsense, and we'll probably have some tires. So yeah, let's get to work. Alrighty guys, we are back. How'd the day go without me?
Not bad.
Not bad?
Pretty quiet.
Yeah, better.
No drama.
No drama. I wasn't here to mess things up. Anyways, they went to the driver's meeting for me because I was running behind because I had to go to that presentation. But I am here, and as you can see, we put some new shoes on the rears here. Fueled up, we went out and mud packed. That went muddy. We're extremely muddy, so whatever. I need to get better implements to remove mud. My little snow scraper is not cutting it. But no chance to hot lap tonight. It looks like we're in the back of the first heat race, which means we will be the first ones to run completely. And as you can tell, everything was super muddy and slimy and stuff out there. So we're gonna run it and see what we can do. Yeah, so I'm gonna get myself prepped to get in the car and we'll go from there. Well, I don't know how much of that race you guys got to see because of all the mud, but it was slickered and snot. That's what happens when you start in the first heat race, right after mud packing. So car's muddy, nice and muddy. We might do something about that. Then again, we might want the extra weight. I don't know. What do you guys think?
Extra weight.
Extra weight.
Clean the sponsors off.
That's it. Clean the sponsors off. It didn't go great. I think I started 7th, finished 10th. I was scared that everybody was going to wad each other up because it was so slick, so I was not aggressive during the start. But I think I started getting it figured out, that really wet track. I am a second behind the fastest car. My fastest lap time was a second slower, so I am off the pace, but hot lapping the other night, I was just over 2 seconds off the pace, so making headway. Carburetor seems to be going good. Yeah, we're watching some racing on the tablet here, but we're gonna probably go up and watch some races and try to figure stuff out, and then I guarantee I'm in a B main, and we'll just go out and do the best that we can, go have a good time. So yeah, rock and roll. Watching late models qualify here. Nice and muddy. Did some tire prep, made some adjustments. Hopefully we do better. We're starting, I think it was 17th out of a field of 22 or something like that, or no, 20, 21. So we got lots of work to do, but hopefully that means nowhere to go but forward. So gonna get ready here. Sport mods are out on the track right now, and then we have the super late model heat races, and then I of course am in the first B main, so gonna get myself ready for that and rock and roll. make the transfer. Started, what, 17th? 8th, 17th out of 20? 17 out of 20, I think. Moved to the back, went backwards, couldn't do anything up top, found the bottom, worked my way up to 12th. Then we had a restart, and I don't know what went away, but I got my push back. Yeah, and then I think I fell back 4 or 5 spots. So I don't know. I have no idea where I finished. Made it up to 12th, probably finished 17th. I don't know. I'll let you guys know when I know. But we're gonna go up and watch some racing. We know some guys in these B mains. We're gonna go watch them. Then we're gonna come down, clean up, get ready to watch some features, and then we'll go eat. But I had fun. I only turned like 5,800 RPM, so I don't know if I was gonna race the bottom like that. I could probably use more gear, but it is what it is. I had a good time. The car's not tore up. I looked at the tires; they're not all burnt up or anything. So yeah, made some adjustments and went forward. I like it. So we're gonna watch the racing. We'll be back with you. Well, alrighty guys, it's almost 1 a.m. We left the races a little early so we could go get some food at a place called Herbs and Rye. If you're ever in Vegas, I suggest it highly. Great steak place, and their happy hour starts at 8 p.m. so all their steaks go half off after that point, so I suggest it. And I had to take the guys because I wanted them to experience it. So, you know, if you're in Vegas, check it out, Herbs and Rye. Anyways, this isn't a paid advertising. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. We'll come back and do some more racing tomorrow, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Any questions, comments, concerns down below. Hit up the Lumsden Motorsports Facebook page. We still got Lumsden Motorsports t-shirts, and my brother's not here, so keep the dirty side down, and we'll catch you next video. So thanks for watching. Peace.